In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram tagged photos not showing on profile. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is customize few settings. So navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Here you're going to find a different section, scroll all the way down. Now here, under how others can interact with you, you're going to find the option of tags and mentions. Click on that. Now here you're going to find this section, who can tag you. Set it to allow tags from everyone. Next, toggle off for the option manually approve tags. Then click on the option review tags. In case you have any pending tags, it's gonna appear over here. From here, you can approve it or decline it. With this, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can report your problem. For that, head back, navigate to the option help. Now click on the option report your problem. Click on the option report problem without checking. Click on don't include and continue. Once you're in this page, you will need to explain about the issue. Tagged photos are not showing in your profile and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.